Hello, I'm Abhishek, and this week I am choosing the tech seminar as how to integrate Firebase in Flutter for storing the data. Here I am using the Firestore as the database, and it is very useful for storing the data properly. And I will tell the brief about the Firebase. Actually, what is Firebase? Actually, Firebase is a platform for it's a platform. Actually, it's a platform for Firebase is a platform for by Google that provides a variety of tools and services to help develop high quality apps, including real time databases, authentication, and analytics, and more. Why we use Firebase with Flutter? Firebase integrates seamlessly with Flutter, offering powerful backend services like data storage, user authentication, and cloud function, making app development way faster and easier. Actually, it is very fast and easier. That's why we are choosing this as backend. And setting up a Firebase is very simple, and creating a Firebase project. Go to the Firebase console, visit Firebase console, create a new project, click on add project, and follow on the screen instructions to set up a Firebase project. Register your app. Once your project is created, you will need to register your Flutter app with Firebase, select Android, iOS, depending on your app, and follow the instructions to add the required package names and download the Google Services JSON for Android or Google Services Info Place for iOS. Add Firebase to the Flutter app. For this, we want a main two what uh, dependencies. One is Firebase Core and one is Cloud Firestore. Firebase Core and Cloud Firestore. Eh? And the add dependencies open your public YAML. Initialize Firebase in the main.tar. File initializing the Firebase in the main function before running the app. Void main async widgets dot binding dot ensure initialize await firebase dot initialize app run app by my app storing the data structure in the firestore firebase and firestore creating a collection and document. What is a firestore? Firestore is a flexible, scalable database for mobile, web, and server development from Firebase and Google Cloud Platform. It stores data, collections, and documents. Firestore is a flexible, scalable, and database for mobile, web, and server development in collections and documents. Add data to the Firestore. It's like, let's say we want to store a usernames and ages in Firestore. How we do it? Firestore equal to Firestore for instance. Future void add user string name int age return Firestore dot collections users dot add uh, name age dot then value print users add dot catch error print file to add users error collections creates a new collection named users if it doesn't exist add adds a new document with the provided data name and age to the user collection then the then block handles a successful uh, creates a new collection named users if it doesn't exist and adds a new document with the provided data name and age and to the user collection then the block handles the successful addition and the catch error Block catches any error. Fetching the data from the Firestore, getting data from the Firestore. To fetch the list of users from the Firestore database, use the following code: future void get users async query snapshot is equal to await firestore dot connection users dot get is get user for getting the data. To fetch the list of users from the Firestore database, use the following code: future void get users query snapshot is equal to await Firestore dot collection users dot get snapshot dot docs for each document printed document. It retrieves all the documents in the user's collection for each doc, loops through each document and prints the data. Updating the data in Firestore. Update data. Updating a user information. How to future void update user string doc id int new age. Return firestore dot collection users dot doc id update age new age dot then value. Print user updated dot catch error. Print failed to update user error. Doc id reference the specific document to the update. Update triple dot updates the age field with the new value. Triple dot where is it? Triple dot okay. To delete the user from the database, future void delete user string doc id return firestore dot collection users dot doc delete dot then well print dot catcher or print. Conclusion: testing, always test your app after integrating the Firebase to ensure everything works correctly. Security rules: implementing security rules in Firebase to protect your data. Continuous learning: Firebase offers many more features such as authentication, cloud functions, and analytics to keep exploring. Open the floor for any some questions. Encourage participants to ask about any step they found challenging or unclear. The simple guide should give your audience a clear understanding how to integrate Firebase data storage in a Flutter app.